Hello children, this is your social mom speaking. Today we are going to see our lesson 4 Beyond Our Skies part 3. Yes, our previous class also we discussed about planets in the solar system, and today also we are going to discuss about planets in the solar system. What are they? So already we discussed about Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. Today we are going to discuss about Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Yes, what is our fifth planet? Jupiter. Yes, Jupiter is a largest planet in the solar system. It is so big that you could fit all other planets of the solar system inside it. Yes, because it is very largest planet. So, and also it is the first largest planet in the solar system. Jupiter has at least 63 moons known to humans. Yes, children, it is the first largest planet in the solar system. It is the fifth planet in the solar system. It is the biggest planet. It has 11.2 radius of Earth, mostly hydrogen and helium inside the Jupiter has over 63 moons. How many moons are there? 63 moons. What is our next planet? Saturn. It is the second largest planet in the solar system. Yes, it is the sixth planet in the solar system, and also it is the second largest planet in the solar system. It is also the lightest planet. Yes, compare than other planet, it is the lightest planet in the solar system. It has rings of rock like partials surrounding it. Yes, see the Saturn. It has rings. The rings like partials surrounding it. Saturn has around 60 moons. How many moons it has? Nearly 60 moons it has. Yes. Facts about Saturn. Saturn is the second largest planet in the solar system. Saturn is named after the Roman god of agriculture. Yes, a Roman. Where it is located? It is located in Italy. Where it is located? Italy. So, in Italy, it's a Roman. Italy capital is Rome. So, Roman people believe the Roman god. So, Saturn is named after the Roman god of agriculture. It has lowest density of all other the planets in the solar system. Yes, lowest density. It is not very much wide. It is not very much large. It is the lowest density. Compare than all the planets. It takes about 29.46 Earth years for Saturn to orbit around our Sun. Yes, dears, it is a sixth planet in the solar system. And also, it takes a longest time, nearly 29.46 Earth years to around the Sun one time. Titan is the only Saturn moon with an atmosphere. Yes, what is the name of the moon? Titan. Where it is in Saturn? It is in an atmosphere. I hope you children, everyone understood about it. What are other two planets? Yes, Uranus. What is our next planet? Uranus. It is the third largest planet. Yes, which is the third largest planet? Uranus. It is unusual because it is tied to its side, while the other planets move like spinning tops around the sun. Uranus moves like a rolling ball. It was the first planet that was discovered using a telescope. Uranus has 27 moons. Yes. Listen, children, it is the third largest planet in the solar system, and it is unusual because other planets move like a spinning tops, but Uranus moves like a rolling ball. So that's why it is different from other planets. So it was discovered using a telescope. How many moons it has? 27 moons. Uranus is a blue and is dark and is made up of gas that is poisonous. Yes, see the Uranus. It's look like a blue, a dark and made up of gas, but it is poisonous. Uranus' fifth moon was found in 1948. When it was found? 1948. Our Earth can fit it to Uranus 60 times. Uranus rings are made of rocks and ice. Scientists think that Uranus has an inner liquid. Yes. So, a scientist think Uranus inside has a liquid. What is the next planet? Neptune. Neptune is a planet. It is the farthest from the sun. Yes, it is very far from the sun. Neptune is a more than 30 times as far from the sun as Earth because it is eighth planet. It is the eighth planet in the solar system, so it is very, very, very far from the sun. So it takes the longest time to go around the sun. Neptune has 13 moons. Yes, and listen, children, it is the eighth planet in the solar system. It is very, very, very far from the sun, so it takes longest time to around the sun one time, and it has 13 moons. How many moons it has? 13 moons. Interesting facts about Neptune. Neptune has wind speeds that are 2100 km per hour. Yes, it is very speed. Neptune is a giant ice gas ball. Did you know it takes 16 hours for one day on Neptune? Yes. One day means 16 hours in the Neptune. But our Earth days 24 hours for one day in our Earth. Neptune in 94,532 kilometers by diameters and 1.0247 kg by mass, a kilogram by mass. Neptune is 4 crores of 54 lakhs 504 lakhs kilometer from the sun. Yes, because it is very, very far from the sun. So that's why it receives very less sunrise, and that's why it's full of a giant ice and gas ball. I hope you children everyone understood about 8 planets. So next we are going to do an activity. What is the activity? Look within. What is the activity? Look within 4.8. So this activity you have to do yourself. Astronauts are people who are trying to travel in a spaceship out into space. Imagine that you are an astronaut and have landed on the moon. What would you say to describe this experience? Now listen, children. You have to imagine yourself you are an astronaut. Yes. So you have to paste your photo. You can paste your photo. Otherwise, you can draw your face here. So you have to imagine now you are an astronaut. You have landed on the moon. So you have to write your experience here. So this place you have to write your experience. Astronauts sometimes spend up to 6 months on the spaceship. Yes. Do you think would you want to spend months together on a spaceship? Yes or no? This is your wish. Would you like to stay? More months means you have to tick yes. No means no. This is your wish. What is the next question? What would you miss the most about Earth? List any one thing up. So, listen, children. You are going to stay together. Stay. You are going to spend months together on the spaceship means what are you going to miss from the Earth? That you have to write here. For example, I miss my family. I miss my friends. I miss my house. I miss my relatives, cousins, like that. You have to write what you're going to miss about Earth. I hope you children, do you understand? Everyone understood this? Yes, what is the next activity? Think and ink. 4.9. Observe figure 7 carefully and identify at least 5 things that are wrong with the pictures. List them in the table provided. Also list the corrections to be made. Listen children, see the solar system. Is it right? Is it right? No, it is not a correct order. So you have to write what is wrong. So what is wrong you have to write. How should it be corrected? That also you want to write. Are you ready children? Yes. Take your book. Start to do this activity. See the sun. Where it is. So sun is the center of the solar system. But it is the fourth or fifth place in the solar system. Is it right? No. So position of Jupiter. Jupiter is not bigger than Sun. Yes, a Sun is the biggest star in the solar system. So, see this picture. Here how they given. See, Sun is very small, Jupiter is very big. Is it right? No, it is wrong. So, what is wrong? Position of Jupiter. How it should be correct? Jupiter is not bigger than Sun. That you have to write like this. What is the next one? Order of the planets. Yes, is it in order of the planets? Is it in order? No, it is not order. The planets are not in order. Position of the sun. The planets should go around the sun. But see here, the sun is also like a planet. Is it right? No. Shape of the Saturn. A Saturn must have rings around it. See here, there is no rings. Size of the Jupiter. Yes, see the size of the Jupiter. So Jupiter is our biggest planet, but it is not a biggest than Sun. So you have to write like this. What is wrong? How should it be corrected? I hope you children, everyone understood this. So thank you children. Have a wonderful day.